Drilling with rectangular positioning. Select the drilling icon and be sure to have level 1 selected. Define the position of your first hole. X is the position of the first hole along the x-axis, and in this example we will be using a value of 0.5 inches. Y is the position of your first hole along the y-axis. In this example we will be using a value of minus 0.5 inches. Define your machining conditions. ZS is your safety distance. This is the amount of the tool above the starting point before beginning its operation. In this example, we will be using a value of 0.1. Z is the starting point on the z-axis. In this example, we will be using a value of 0. P is the total depth of the hole, and we will be using a value of 0.5 inches. I is the drilling peck, and we will be drilling down at 0.2 inches per pass. T is the dwell time at the bottom of the hole, and in this example there will be a half-second dwell per pass. Define the penetration. F is your feed rate. In this example we will be using a value of 10 inches per minute. S is the spindle speed. In this example we are using a value of 1000 RPM. You select your spindle direction. To toggle, use the half key. T is the tool number and we will be using T3. D is the offset number and we are using D3. Select the rectangular position icon. Note that your starting coordinates x1 and y1 are automatically entered because they were predefined in our drilling cycle. Define the length and number of holes along each axis. Lx is the length from your first hole on the x-axis to the last hole. In this example we will be using a value of 5 inches. Ly is the length from your first hole on the y-axis to the last hole on the y-axis. In this example we will be using a value of minus 3 inches. Nx is your total number of holes along the x-axis, and we will be using a value of 4 holes. Ny is the total number of holes along the y-axis, and we will be using a value of 2. The alpha is the angle in degrees. A value is entered into this field when we are machining a part on an inclination angle. In this example we will be using a value of 0. The beta is the angle between the sides, and we will be using a value of 90 degrees. Simulate the program. And then save the operation to your part program.